Hello friend, Merry Christmas. Welcome to iOS TicTacToe written in Objective-C programming language. Okay, Objective-C programming language is used before Swift. And okay, so our TicTacToe, we already implemented the game board drawing. Okay, in this video, let's try to draw pieces. Okay, so let's go to the so now each class has two files, right? The header file and the implementation file. Okay, so we can put this pair of files side by side. Hold down Option key and click the other one. Okay, so interface and the implementation. Yeah, we'll focus on the implementation here. We have draw board. Let's create our draw pieces. Okay, and we can put it here, can we? Draw pieces. Okay, there's no parameters. Let's call it self and send a message to self, right? Draw pieces. Yeah, like that. So now draw pieces. Let's implement our draw piece, a single piece first, right? Draw like a piece at column. So yeah, the function name sounds like a sentence of English. So int column and row, right? This is how we defined the parameters here. Okay, so to draw a piece, for example, the O, big O, we need, yeah, let's define the ratio of like the diameter against the square side. Okay, square side. Do we have a square side here? Let's put this guy on top so it can be shared by different functions. Okay, so copy and paste CG float. Let's give it an initial value, something like, yeah, 100. Yeah, it doesn't matter because we'll do this calculation. Cut and put it here. So I think it still works, right? Yeah, nothing is broken. Draw piece at that, and let's define a ratio. CG float ratio equals like 0.6. So it means we'll use 60% of this square to draw the big O. Okay, a circle here. The diameter, the ratio between the diameter and the square side is 0.6. Okay, so draw piece. Oh, we need another parameter like is x or o, right? So this one, the data type is Boolean. Yeah, is x. So we'll check, right? If is x, we'll draw the two cross, right? Two lines, right? Intersecting with each other, and else we'll draw a circle. So let's try the circle first. So to draw a circle, we need a radius. Let's put it here for now. CG float radius equals what is the radius? Radius is the ratio times half of this square side, right? So 0.5 times ratio times square side, yeah. And what is the center of this circle? Here, 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 right? In each square. Let's calculate that. CG float center x equals so for this one, center is half of that plus column times cell side, yeah. So the formula will be 0.5 plus column times square side. Similarly, CG float center y is half of plus the row times square side, like that. So now we can create the UI Bezier path here. UI Bezier path like that, so we can use it to draw the circle. So path dot add arc, right? That center, okay. CG, let's do CG point make. Okay, so the center, okay, center is center x and the center y. Radius is radius. We get that ready. Start angle 0 and angle 2 pi, right? 2 times pi. Do we have that? Do we have m? Yeah, this way. M pi. Clockwise doesn't matter. True. And path stroke, right? That's sorry, it's not like that. It's like UI Bezier path allocate init, right? Can we test that? Draw piece. Let's draw a piece here. Self draw piece at. Let's draw a piece at here. Okay, let's draw a piece here. So it's 0 and the row is 0 here, bottom left corner. That's the one we have to. Is x? No, right? Is x? We'll draw a circle, so it's false. Yeah, let's give it a try. Unused variable this one, radius. Yeah, on it. Okay, so it's there. It means we need to, yeah, here the actual row, this one should be 2 minus row. Yeah, 2 minus row, because the coordinate system of our logical game and the iOS coordinate system, right? They are the y vertically, they are reversed. Now that's right. Yeah, This time is good. Let's use a different color for that. Past the stroke, we can put it here to share with the drawing of X, and we can set the color, UI color. For example, we'll use blue color dot set, right? Try it. Yeah, and what about the line width? We'll share the line width for both X and O. Okay, so we can do P pass dot line width equals like 5. That's great. Now let's handle this one, right? Draw X. We can share those things in our draw X. That's cool. We can put it here. Okay, because we can use this the data here. This is right, we need the center and the top left, bottom, yeah, top left. We'll draw a line like that, right? So this data can be used. So if it's X, we'll do pass dot move to point CG point make. So here is center X minus something, right? Center X minus the radius, right? Radius. That's cool. So center Y minus radius. And and we'll add line to point CG point make, center point center X plus radius, and the center Y plus radius. Yeah. Let's give a try. For example, let's draw something here. Okay, here is 2 2 2. Okay, and 2 2. Let's try 2 1. Okay, 2 1 is not good. 1 2. 1 2, so it will be here. We'll try to draw an X here. Now we have half of them, so it's X 2. We only have one line there. Yeah, column 1 row 2, right? It works. Now we can happily add another line, the perpendicular one. So easy. Change this to plus and change this to minus, right? Yes, it works. Okay, so we know how to draw any pieces, right? Any pieces at any location. Okay, so we can stop here. Let's make a commit. Board view. We can say implemented drawing, implemented drawing Tic Tac Toe pieces. Push. Okay, so it just pushed, yeah, this main branch to our GitHub repository. Thank you for watching. See you next time.